Okay guys, hello and welcome to another video. Today I got here the Vampiric Undead. This is from One Page Rules, and I printed this with the new resin. Okay, so not the resin I normally use. So today I print this with the green stuff Walt. And this is a ABS like, as you can see. It's a gray one, and it's one kilo. Okay, and you can see here the specifications, preparation for use, and how to use. You got all the things there. You can go on the website, you can see here, you can get all the information there to use it. So the test I will do is to remove the supports. The supports are made for the guys from One Page, and let's see how it goes out on this resin, because this ABS like it's more for this kind of figures. Okay, figures for gaming, because you handle. Okay, if you see, I got here others with the normal resin. Okay, and this is, I mix a little of ABS too on the standard resin, but it's more breakable. So this, it's more soft, so if you drop this to the floor, normally it's more difficult to break. So but let's start and grabbing. So I clean this on alcohol, and let's see how it's going. So it's still fresh, and I think I don't need to use any bath of warm water. Okay, so let's start removing and see how it goes. So it's a soft resin. Okay, I got here this lump, but it's nice. So because this is with alcohol, it's very shiny. Let's see again, and they are really easy to remove. You hear this snap, it's because it's durable, but it's soft. So the real test, it's on the figures. So now at the bases, it's not bad. So these archers are from One Page Rules, are for this month, the release of this month. So, and of course I printed with this new resin. So far I'm liking. I will try to make more bigger and see how it goes with the resin. So we got here the first figure, and let's see, got here a ball, and let's see how it's coming out. So this is the part, it's very important. Okay, nothing to tell. So I need this to dry, and then I will see the details. So I got here this one, it's a big one. You have a banner, and let's see how it snaps. Okay, because we have more things breakable, and so far so good. We got the pole somewhere of the banner. You see how I do it? I remove out like this, so just go around, try not to snap. Here is the pole, so it's in the middle. Now it's just grab here on the banner, and let's try not to break. So you can see, easy. So it's a delicate piece, you have some flexibility, it's what we need, because when you cure, it's going to be, the resin is going to be more hard, but we need something to, if you let them down, not to break, and we got a nice thing going there. Okay, so let's go to another. This is the commander. Let's see. Get the bow to yes, nice. Got a nice detail here on the bat wing. It's over the head, and I think you don't lose any details. The arrows are nice. The cloth, we got here some of chain, I think, so it's really nice. Now let's this one. Got the arrow, and we got the support on the interior of the bow. Let's see. Okay, came out easily, no problem. We got here just these ones, these little ones, and these little ones I normally remove after I cure because it's more easy to snap, and I don't like certain little things of resin cure on the top of the figure. So these ones I'm going to use for playing more time. I am on the PC, I'm playing with the warbands of Vampirics, and on the game I like it too. So it snaps really, really nice. You see the patient, you just remove something here, and even here on the foot, just pull like this, and it's going to snap really easy. Okay. So I'm liking this one. Let me see. So far, so good. It's important because these figures are very little on scale, and we need to have a resin, gives a nice detail. And so far I'm really happy. So for the first experience, let's see. Okay, it snap easy, nice. So we got all of this out of the resin, and yes, it's acceptable. So now let me let this dry, and then I will take I'm going to use a primer for this. I'm going to use a black primer. Normally, let me grab this one. I use this matte surf primer all over the figure, and then I would go with the zenithal with the white, kind of white, off-white, or the things you just need to see if he have too much of metal or not, or more fabric. It's I put more white or not. So guys, I like it for miniatures so far. So I am printing more on the machines. So far I like a lot. For miniatures, I think it's good. It's really good. The price, it's nice, because on the market normally we got the ABS a little more expensive, and this, it's a company, you know, Green Stuff World. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye guys.